If you watch this video to the end, I will show you how to consistently raise money to pay your rent every year using the power of a lucrative e-commerce business. But before we go into this topic today, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not done that, click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications bell so that whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this video. Now, the house which I currently live in costs me 900,000 naira every year in rent. This house is located in Lagos, Nigeria, Aja, which is one of the most expensive parts of Lagos. And every year for the past 4 years, I've consistently been able to raise money to pay my rent without borrowing money or starving myself, all through my e-commerce business. The reason why I made this video is because many people find it hard to pay their rent. Whenever their rent is coming or whenever their rent is getting due, they start to panic, they start to look for who they can beg to actually raise money to pay their rent. But if you follow what I'm about to show you in this video, you will not have to beg anybody to raise money for your rent. You don't have to borrow money from someone to pay your rent. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how I consistently raise money to pay my rent every single year and also pay my bills every single year using the power of starting a lucrative e-commerce business that can make you millions of money every single month if you follow the steps I'm about to show you. Now, number one, the first step to raise money to pay your rent from your e-commerce business is to find a problem-solving product. In other words, a hot product. A hot product is simply a product that has high demand, that whenever you run ads or display it in front of an audience, you get massive orders. Now, we have different examples of hot products. We have the weight loss tea, which helps people lose tummy fat. We also have the hair growth oil or the hair growth serum. This serum helps people to grow their hair. We also have the 12-in-1 vegetable chopper. This product helps chefs to slice vegetables faster and easier. We have so many hot products that you can sell. In the Millionaire Maker Hot Product Blueprints, I've listed 15 tested and trusted products that you can start selling today to make 50,000 naira daily. You have to pick any of these products and start creating marketing materials that will help you sell them for a good amount of profit. Once you can do this, you're on the first part to raising money to pay your rent. That's just the thing. When it comes to paying your rent, you don't have to panic. You don't have to start looking for who to borrow from. You just have to approach that problem logically by finding a hot product. Now that you have found a hot product, what is the next step? Step 2, you have to create an offer that enables you to make at least 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira in profit from selling any of these products. Why do I say that? If your rent is 900,000 naira, for example, if you have a product that is making at least 20,000 naira single profit from one sale, you need to just make 45 sales to be able to reach that rent of 900,000 naira. So that is why I advise that you price it for that amount. You have to price in an amount that you can make at least 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira profit from the sale of that product. Now you have to just make 45 sales to be able to raise 900,000 naira. Now, how do you make that 45 sales? How do you make 45 people order from you and buy your products in exchange for money? That will lead us to the next step. Step 3, you have to create a high converting sales page. A sales page is a part of your website that will tell customers all about your products. This sales page is going to help you explain to your customers in a detailed approach, in a deep, comprehensive and detailed manner, how your products will solve their problem, how your products will make their life better. People don't just order products just because they saw your ad online. No, they order products because they are looking for products that will help their self-interest, product that will solve their problems. So your sales page has to be able to convince people and persuade people that your product is a lifesaver. For example, if someone is having a a big stomach and is sluggish, and they don't like their body, they don't like the way they are because of excess body fat. You have to use your sales page to persuade that potential customer that your product is the best product in the market that will help them lose weight. Very, very important. If you can successfully do that, you're on the pathway to making that 45 sales. Now, how do you create a sales page? I've created a step-by-step approach on how to create profitable and persuasive sales pages that will make people beg you to take their money in exchange for your product. In the Millionaire Maker Hub product blueprints, my flagship course, I will show you a detailed step-by-step approach for helping you create persuasive and profitable sales pages that will persuade people to buy from you. If you have not gotten that course, link in the description. Now that you have created your sales page, your high converting sales page, what is the next step? Step 4, you have to run Facebook and Instagram ads to drive traffic to your sales page. Your sales page, even though it's profitable and persuasive, is not seen without massive traffic. What do I mean by traffic? Traffic simply means eyeballs, attention of people. You have to run ads to drive attention to your sales page, to drive the attention of potential customers to your sales page. And one of the easiest way to do this is by running Facebook and Instagram ads. In the Millionaire Maker House product blueprints, I have created a 5,000 naira testing strategy that will help you run ads for as low as 5,000 naira per day. You can actually start with 5,000 naira per day to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. And as you are growing, as you are making more money from your ads, you reinvest and grow your business so that you can be able to reach that 45 sales and pay your rent. You have to learn how to drive traffic using the power of Facebook and Instagram ads. With Facebook and Instagram ads, you can target people based on their location, you can target people based on their age, you can target people based on their interest. I'm going to show you how to do all that in the Millionaire Maker Hub product blueprints. And you shall also check out other of my videos where I talked about how to create Facebook and Instagram ads for your business. Now, after you have run your Facebook and Instagram ads and you have started getting orders, what is the next step? Let's keep. Now, after you have run your Facebook and Instagram ads and you are getting orders, the next step is to confirm your orders. You need to be able to confirm your orders and call them up. Call any customer that has placed interest in your product. You have to be able to call them up and convince them that, oh, our product is the best product from you. You have to be able to talk to them in a way that will make them develop enthusiasm to buy your product. For them just ordering your product on your website is not the end of story. You have to confirm those orders and make them enthusiastic to be able to collect their products which they have ordered for today and pay you money. So you have to be able to confirm your orders. In the Millionaire Maker House product blueprints, I've created a step-by-step confirmation script that will help you confirm every of your orders which you get. I will show you how to talk to your customers that will make them eager and enthusiastic to get their products now today, so that they can pay you money for your products. It's very, very possible. I will show you how to do that in the Millionaire Maker House product blueprints. If you have not gotten that course, check the link in the description. Now, after confirming those orders and your customer is saying bring it, what if your customer is in Sokoto and you're in Lagos? How do you deliver that product to the customer? I'll show you how to do that in the next part. After your customer has expressed enthusiasm to bring it, the next step is to deliver the products to wherever the customer is in Nigeria. Now, to do this successfully, to be able to deliver your products wherever your customer is in any part of Nigeria, you need the help of delivery agents. Delivery agents are designated dispatch riders in different parts of Nigeria that will help you store your product and also help you deliver your product to any customer wherever they are at the point of orders or of ordering your product. So those delivery agents will help you warehouse your product so that whenever you place and get an order, all you need to do is just copy that order and paste it in the WhatsApp group of that delivery agent. For example, if I'm in Lagos and I receive an order in Sokoto, what do? I just I store my products with my my delivery agent in Sokoto, and then whenever I get an order, I copy that order and paste it to my delivery agent in Sokoto. And once he sees it, he just picks the product and then delivers to the customer. Now, if you're just starting out, it's always recommended that you should run your ads. Remember that I said that using Facebook and Instagram ads, you can actually target people based on their location. So if you're in Lagos and you're just starting out, you can actually target people in your only in Lagos so that it is easier for you to deliver. But as you're growing your business, you want to expand, you want to scale your business, you will need dispatch riders, delivery agents in different parts of Nigeria, and that is where my course comes in. I'm going to give you a list of tested and trusted delivery agents that will help you deliver your product to wherever your customer is in Nigeria, whether they're in Sokoto, Delta States, Abia State, wherever they are. There is always a delivery agent for that location. I'm going to show you a list of all these delivery agents so that you can contact them and warehouse your product with them, so that as you are running ads and getting orders, they'll be helping you deliver. Now, if you can successfully do all these things, once they deliver, they will remit your money to you. They will just take their share and then deliver and then remit your money to you. That is how I run my business, my e-commerce business in Nigeria. Now, imagine if every week you are doing 200,000 naira, or you are doing 500,000 naira, or you scale and you start doing 1 million naira. It is possible if you know how to run a lucrative e-commerce business. If you can do all these figures, you'll never lack money to pay your rent. You'll never have to beg money to pay your rent. I've been using this same strategy which I'm teaching you in this video, and every year I have successfully paid my rents. Now, do you want to learn more on how to run this business? Do you want to learn how to start this business and scale it to the point where it's making you millions monthly? Do you want to find out tested and trusted product that you can start selling today to make at least 50,000 naira daily? Do you want to learn how to create sales pages that will make people order your product? Do you also want to learn how to run Facebook ads and everything which I've discussed in this video? Do you want a detailed course that will teach you all these things? I'm recommending my flagship course, the Millionaire Maker Horse Product Blueprint. This course is an eye-opener. It will show you how to launch and scale a lucrative e-commerce business from the comfort of your home, without renting an office, without hiring plenty staff. You can start this business with as low as 100,000 to 150,000 naira, and from there you can grow it to the point where it's making you millions monthly. So if you're interested in learning all about what I've just talked about in this video, click on the link in the description to get the course. I promise you that you will not regret it. So thank you for watching this video, and please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also turn on the notifications bell so that whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, if you have a question about all that we have discussed, do leave it in the comment section, and once I see it, I will reply you as soon as I see that question. And also, even if you don't have any question, just say, Victor, good job. This helps our video spread more and more for more people who might just be looking for a way to pay their rents to see this video, and this video will help them solve that problem. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.